Hi, to fix Wi-Fi connectivity issues on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, I have several advices for you. Number 1 is really basic but helpful advice. Try to reset your tablet. Just trust me, this usually solves a lot of problems. So for that, we would need to take our tablet and find the power button. In my case, it is located on the top because I hold it in this landscape view. So we will need to find this small power button and volume down button. And then we will need to press and hold them at the same time for a couple of seconds till we could see this power off menu appears on the screen. So now from this option, select restart, then confirm by tapping it again. And after that, your tablet will turn off and just in a couple of seconds it will turn on. But of course, if you press this button. Let's move on to the next advice. Number 2 is to enable airplane mode. This mode disables Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so it will just reset all of the connections. For that, we can either swipe down from the upper right corner and here tap on this plane icon right on top. So if you see that it's white, then airplane mode is enabled, and on top you should see this plane icon. Now you can also go in your tablet settings and from here select connections on the left side, and also you can see this option to enable airplane mode from here. When the switcher is blue, then this mode is enabled. Now let me just disable it and go to advice number 3, which is resetting Wi-Fi. For that, we will need to stay in this connections tab and now choose Wi-Fi. So simply turn it off for a couple of seconds, then wait and turn it back on. This will soft reset all of the connections and fix small issues. And if it didn't help, let's move on to the device number 4, which is we need to forget our current network. And for that, just tap the settings icon near the name of the network and take a look at this bottom of the display. Here you would see this option, forget, just tap it, and now this network would be gone from the list of current networks. And after that, we should go back in the connections, choose Wi-Fi, find our network, and then we will need to enter its password. Once we enter the password, we just need to tap blue button connect, and just in a few seconds we'll be connected, and you should see the status connected just underneath the name of your network, and you should see it in the tab current networks. And if none of the advices helped, then advice number 5, which is the last advice, we can reset network settings. For that, just scroll on your left side to check this about tablet. Now, on the right side, select reset, and here, if we scroll a bit, we'll see this option, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So don't worry, this won't reset the tablet itself, just the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So all of the old connections will be resetted, they will be deleted, and you will need to reconnect to the Wi-Fi and reconnect your Bluetooth devices. So let's just select it, and you can see that this section cannot be undone. So just tap blue button, reset settings, and here you can see that the settings were reset. So we just need to go back in the connections tab. From here, choose Wi-Fi, find our network, and as we did before, enter its password and reconnect. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.